to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Wang, and today we will be remaking a slime that my mum has chosen. Alright, so I'm really excited, so let's just get started. Alright Jack, show me the picture. And I only get 10 seconds to memorize it. This picture is really nice, and like the slime looks like it's fluffy. So yeah, I think I'm ready. Right.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, we're at the slime cupboard and these are the ingredients we're gonna need. So, purple paint, blue paint, and just to make it prettier, some silver glitter. So, and just in case it gets a bit hard, we can add some lotion. Okay, and we're gonna need some shaving cream, some activator, and some glue. So let's go.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, we're back to the table so we can start making our slime. So, let's first add our glue. If you want to make a big slime, you can add a lot of glue. Alright guys, this is how much glue I added. It's a good amount. Now I'm going to add my shaving cream. Not too much because it makes it puffy. Oh wow, that's too much. But this is how much. It should be green, but it's gonna turn white. And then mix well. So this is what it looks like right now, and it's right because like it should look like that. So now I'm going to add my activator. Not too much, or then it's going to get over-activated. But I can just add some body lotion. It should start like getting together, so it should get very sticky and hard to mix. When you think it's like slime, you can put your hands in. Like mine, it looks like cotton candy. Right. So let's just put that back in. And right now, this is what my slime looks like. It's very sticky, which is not good, but I can just always add more activator. I shouldn't put the lid on. So this is what the slime looks like. I really like it. Now, we break it in half and be selfish. But yeah. And now we put our paint in. I'm just gonna put my finger in. It's blue now, but just put it in my slime. So after the blue, I'm going to put some purple paint into this slime. This one, because like it's not colourful. So let's just add some purple paint into it. Oh my gosh. Let's just get that out of there. No. Let's just dip my finger in. If you add too much paint, it will get tough. But you can always just add some body lotion so it gets smooth and stretchy. This is all the paint.
That noise.
This is the paint. It's actually going well. But let's just add some body lotion in because body lotion. Let me just get that.
12 seconds later.
Right there, so you guys can see the bit. Let's just put. Oh, there we go. Oh yes. That's going to help a lot. Alright, this is good. You might see, like, what the hell is that? It's not slime at all. But it is. It is. It is. Don't you worry. Let's just get the slime in the bowl. This is going really well. So this is the blue slime. This is what the slime looks like. There is way more here, but like I'm just doing a bit by bit because I'm calm. So this part of the blue is very nice. Let's just put this there now because that's done. Like that. Dip that in. Wait, should I? Yeah. Dip that in. And then, yeah. That's, fun. Okay. So this part of the blue is actually slime. So yeah, and it's really nice. It's good. So now let's just fix this part. It's a bit hard, so that's why we have to add body lotion. We've been mixing these slimes for quite a while. It's been like 2 years now, I think. I don't know, I haven't looked at the time.
12 seconds later.
So these are the two slime. The blue is nice, the purple is still a bit hard, but the body lotion will save it. By making it stretchy. There we go. We have to add a lot. Like actually. Like the whole thing. Like look at this, I nearly used the whole thing. Well, that's because it was already nearly gone, but just add a bit by a bit. Look at this. It's not really purple, but it looks so cool. Hopefully you saw it. Alright guys, so this is actually going really well and nice and good and everything you can describe a good slime. The blue and the purple. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to flatten this slime. Let's do the twirl. This is so pretty. It's actually two colours. It's so pretty. Let's just stretching it. This is what it looks like. Most of the blue. Let's just do a twirl. I can show you guys. This is the stretch. Alright, I'm not really good at twirls, but that's my best. And that is the finishing touch. It's actually really light, and it's just so pretty. And if you like turn it down, that noise. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.